here at Fatima, in Fatima, at the, again, I'm not going to say this exactly the way she pronounced it, but it's Sao Jose. Anyway, it's the Saint Jose or something like that hotel here in Fatima. But I wanted to show you, this is the area of obviously the elevator, but you can see it's quite bright here. This hotel is kind of like squared off into multiple areas, like this area, then you go to this direction. This is the direction of my hotel room. Kind of come this way, and then you got this tiny corner here, and then this corner. But I believe this also, like, it's a little dark right here. This area is the darkest of the whole area at this point. So I just wanted to kind of do a quick minute-and-a-half video or so. And here it's dark over here, but my room is just over here. It's kind of goes around in a circle. Kind of. It's almost in quadrants, but my room's over here. This is my room over here. 212. But I will do a video separate. So hello there, folks. I'm here in Fatima at the hotel. The hotel here in Fatima is called Hotel Sao Jose. I will put it on the screen here when I post this. It's very dark in here at this point. All they have in this hallway that's just about 30 feet long, maybe. One light here and one light here. So I'm on the second floor, room 212. Always seem to be put on the second floor. Make sure you put the strip on the right. As you can see, to the right, put it in. 90% of the time it works, sometimes it doesn't. This hotel actually relies on power like a lot of hotels now. You put the card into the slot. Got to push it down hard on this one. Some are easier, but this one is a little harder to push in. But you got to push the card deep in there, otherwise it won't work. I had that issue earlier. And then now you have access to power. Quickly, luggage rack thing here. A little closet of sorts here on the right. Well, maybe it's a closet. Yep, it's a closet. Oh, there is a safe in here. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even come in here, but there's a safe right here. Lovely, right? I had no idea because I hadn't even looked. That's my first time looking. So now that said, you got a side table here with a telephone. Side table over there. 2 single beds. You got a chair over here and a single chair in front of the desk with a TV as well, and of course the desk has a mirror. You got this little side table with a drawer kind of thing where there are your mini fridges, as well as, you know, if you want tea, you can bring tea with you. You can make tea in this water heater. Anyway, you warm up your water. Now in the bathroom here, your sink, mirror. You have a heated towel rack, but I don't need it. It's not a big deal to me. You know, if you want to dry your hair, you got a hair dryer. To the left here is the shower. Boom, boom. And it's a nice big shower considering actually some of the hotels I've been in Italy. And then the bathroom. Bam, bam. Done deal. Very modern for hotels here in Portugal, as well as many places in the country. Well, within the whole country as a whole. So.